Welcome to Taji's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you what the baby food looks like in Japan. So, as you can see, I'm joined with my nephew here. He is a year and 3 months old. And he doesn't have teeth yet. The main part of the baby food is porridge in Japan. And then to that, she's gonna make a couple other dishes. Then, let's get started. We're going to first make the porridge. So we have one go, a little less than a cup of rice, and then we're just gonna first wash it. So as you can see, my sister washes the rice a little different than I do. Then we're going to put the rice in the pressure cooker. You can use, of course, a normal pot. With a pressure cooker, you can cook much faster. And then we're going to put about 5 times more water than the rice. So 5 go. So this may look very soupy, but when it gets cooked, then you'll have a good porridge. Then we're going to turn the heat to high. Then we're going to wait until the water comes to a boil. It has come to a boil, we're going to turn the heat to low, and then we're going to let it cook for another 5 minutes. So 5 minutes has passed, and then we're going to turn the heat off, and then we're going to let it sit like this and let it cook on its own heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Until this button here goes down, and that's a sign that the pressure inside is gone down. So while we're waiting on the porridge, we're going to make the main dish. Today we have a chicken soup with different vegetables. We have Nappa cabbage, carrots, and potatoes. But you can use, of course, any other vegetable. So we're gonna cut up the chicken meat rather big pieces, then she's gonna cut up into small pieces later. Because it's easier to cut them up in small pieces when it's cooked. Then we're gonna add some water. We're gonna put the lid on and then turn the heat to high. And then we're gonna wait until the water comes to boil. So the water has come to boil, then we're gonna turn the heat to low, and then we're going to let it cook for 5 or 10 minutes. So it's been about 10 minutes. Let's see, this is looking good. So we're gonna see if the potato is cooked through. Yeah, it's cooked through. We can use, of course, the chopstick like this as well. Now I'm gonna take out the chicken meat, and she's gonna make it into very small pieces so that the baby doesn't have to chew. Then she's gonna take away the skin or the fat. Then we're going to put back in the chicken meat in the soup. And then we're going to season it with a little bit of soy sauce. I'm going to turn the heat to medium. A little taste. So this is good. To this we're going to add in starch. And then we're going to dissolve it in a little bit of water. Then we're going to turn the heat to medium again. And then when starch gets heated, then it starts to become a little gooey, a little slimy. It makes it easier for the baby to eat. And that's enough. So let's finish for the chicken soup. So the porridge is now finished. Then we're going to put it in separate containers. So the porridge is looking like this. It still looks a little bit soupy, but the rice is going to soak up all the water and then you have a very good porridge later on. So this is the one for today, and she's going to put in about 7 tablespoons. That's about 1 portion for our 1 year and 3 months old baby. So this is for 2 portions, 14 tablespoons. So we got the porridge for 2 portions, and 1 and 1. So that's 2 days worth of porridge. And lastly, she's gonna cook some pumpkin so the baby can nibble on. First, she cut off the skin. And then she's just gonna cut into small diced pieces so that the baby can just kind of nibble on. And she's also gonna cook some broccoli because that's one of our nephew's favorites. And she's gonna put some water, and we're gonna cook this. So we're gonna cook the vegetables. We're gonna turn the heat to high. We're gonna cook also about 5 minutes or so. And she's gonna put also a little bit of salt, not too much, just a little bit. Pumpkin is finished, and also the broccoli is soft enough for the baby to eat. And we're gonna turn the heat off. And this is also finished.
Oh, ご飯よ。
食べるよ、食べるよ。いただきますよ。いただきますしないのね。
いただきます。
いただきます。美味しいね。美味しいね。じゃあ。So as you can see, broccoli is his favorite vegetable.
全部食べちゃう。
一緒だね。そこのっけるのね。おっと。うわー、ちょ。はい。パク。お。よいしょ。はい。あ、これね、お茶ね。お兄さん。はい、手を拭いて。あ、こっちなの。まずご飯食べよう。あ、こっちね。はいはい。あげますよ。あげますよ。あげますよ。お。あら、美味しいですね。食べるのね、いいよ。食べようか。お茶あげようか。 ブロッコリー来た。ブロッコリー来たぞ。ブロッコリー来た。ブロッコリーどんどん食べてくれ。So I hope this video was informative for you. I hope it gave you a little more new idea for your baby food. This is just one version, and there are of course other variations, and it's not particularly typical, I think, in Japan. This is just what my sister often cooks. And of course, be very careful about allergies. I don't know if anybody is allergic to rice or any food that you saw here. Oh, ちょっと待ってね。ハパクリ、美味しいですね。This is what my sister cooks, and this is what my nephew likes. ね、はい、どうぞ。ハパク。If you like what you saw, please subscribe. And I look and I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. あ、嫌だったね。はい、ごめんなさい。Bye bye. Bye bye. いいですね。はい、いいです。